is the dispatch. Gates open. They're up and racing. Halo Star Arithmetic at the center. Delightful Bell moving up by the rail. Then comes Angel Eunice. Trinity Moon moving up by the rail in between runners. Platinum Garden. Don Barako. Then comes 1A Pumatone, Prapu Bell, and Pride and Joy is bringing up the rear. Heading towards the last 800. Three runners are fighting it out for the lead, making it two. Delightful Bell running on the outside. Angel Eunice running in third. Platinum Garden moving up. Don Barako. Then moving up by the rail is the favorite Trinity Moon. Moving up on the outside. Halo Star. Pumatone Arithmetic is fading out. Moving up by the rail. Prapu Bell. While Pride and Joy still in behind them as they race to the last 450. Don Barako moving up on the outside. Running in between runners is Trinity Moon. Then by the rail, Angel Eunice with the last 150 more to run. Trinity Moon, the top favorite now in command by about a length and a half. Don Barako remains in second on the outside. And finally, Trinity Moon, Don Barako, Halo Star, Angel Eunice, Pumatone close between Prapo Bell and Pride and Joy. Then comes Delightful Bell, number 4, Platinum Garden, and Arithmetic.